Hi, it's Dorothy Guining with Scrapbooking Quebec, and today I'm going to do my July 2020 Stash Kit share for the How to Kill a Kit with Style YouTube collaboration. You'll find links to all the other participants below. Now in the summer I scrapbook less, so what I'm going to do is create a smaller kit. I figure I'll have more success with a smaller kit than a big one that overwhelms me. But I'm still going to be digging into these 5 bags, and that's where I store the material that I'm really tired of seeing, and also bits and pieces from leftover past collections. But I did make myself a recipe to keep me accountable because I love pattern paper. So I'm going to start by selecting my pattern paper, and according to my recipe, I'm going to give myself the right to select 5 to 7 pieces. I'm starting with this one from Chamel because I find it really colorful and it's a great jumping off point. It's also very pretty. Now the next 2 are from Studio Calico, and it's like a fine gingham. So the small scale really does look well with that big wild Chamel print, and I have 2 of those. Now the next one there is from Paige Evans. So I'm going to be using both sides, I think, of this paper. For the pink and the gingham paper, I'm thinking the cut aparts will work well. There's black, there's green, there's a bit of pink. You can't see the whole thing, sorry about that. And the next 2 are from Dear Lizzie. I like both sides of this actually. So I find that first of all, the cut apart sheet does work well, especially that cell phone thing that I just showed you. But the flip side with those dots works really well with this paper as well. So I'm going to put the pink side up because when I build a kit, I tend to put the sides up that inspire me the most. I have 6 papers here, so I only can pick 1 more printed paper. So I'm selecting this one from Amy Tangerine. I don't like the clouds, but the flip side is white with black speckles. I find it's very usable, and it also really goes well with that dotted paper with the yellow and pink dots. There happens to be little speckles in that one as well. Now once I have my pattern paper selected, I'm allowing myself 2 to 3 colors of cardstock. So I'm only selecting 2 here, white and black, and I'll need more when I build my pages. And I'm also putting in some lined paper, something for some journaling. So in this case, it's just a piece of ledger paper, a scrap from Studio Calico, and one side's green and one side's pink. So it's perfect for this kit. For letters, I'm allowing myself, according to my recipe, 1 to 2 alphas. Now what I want to make sure is that there are a lot of alphas because I don't want to be searching for titles. I want it to be easy. It's summertime. So those green ones are from Pink Fresh Studio, a really weird color, so I'm hoping I can use them. And that black one is from Simple Stories. That goes with everything. As for embellishments, I'm only going to pick a handful, either ephemera, stickers, doilies, stuff like that. So the ephemera I'm showing you are from a past Paige Evans collection, and I find the green works, the pink florals work, there's a little bit of that goldish yellow. Again, I might not use it all, but it's a nice little selection. I'm going to throw in a few things that are new to me. Those tags there, I got them recently from the Secret Not Secret Kit Club in a grab bag, and I find them super cute. So the pinks and the greens work really well. And I'm also putting in a few viewfinder wheels. Those things excite me. They are newer to me, and I find when I build these old stash kits, adding something new really does help me get excited about them. Also in my recipe is add something small like sequins, like what I'm putting in here, or enamel dots. Now I don't plan on using the other elements that are in this kit, but there are sequins that are pink and kind of coppery colors, so I think that will work. And finally, every month I always put in 2 to 3 tools. Well, this month I'm only going to be putting in 1 tool, all the summer months actually. So I'm throwing in those embossing folders from Vicki Boutin. They are new, but they've been on my desk for a few months and I haven't used them. And I tend not to use embossing folders, so I'm going to challenge myself to use them this month. So there you have it, my smallish kit for July 2020 for how to kill a kit with style. I really find it inspiring, and it's a complete mixed bag of products. So hopefully I'll do a process video throughout the month, but I'll certainly do a layout share at the end of the month. Be sure to check out the other participants as well. Their links are below. And I really hope this inspires you to dig into your scrappy stash. Personally, I find it really rewarding to create a page I love with material that I'm bored with. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.